Hi, I'm Brandon Wall, Lincoln Product Specialist over at Empire Huntington Ford Lincoln, and right over here I have a 2022 Lincoln Aviator Black Label. The thing about Lincoln Black Label, it's more than just the top tier trim on a Lincoln, it's Lincoln's VIP for their top paying clientele. So with this 2022 Lincoln Aviator Black Label, this one currently has the chalet theme interior. Now the Black Labels don't have interior colors, they have interior themes. And the chalet theme happens to be inspired by actual alpine skiing in a resort. Now with the chalet alpine theme, it comes with this white alpine Venetian leather. Less than 1% of all leathers actually fit the standard to be put in a Lincoln Black Label. And even so, it has to be curated by Lincoln Concierge and inspected so that it actually meets the standard to be put in the vehicle itself. So this is an example of the perforated material right here. And with it, you'll get the silver wood grain included in the vehicle. So with the Lincoln Black Label program, it also comes with additional perks as well. In addition to a 5-year, 60,000-mile maintenance, which comes with a Lincoln Black Label, you also get Lincoln pickup and delivery. You have free car washes for the life of the vehicle. So come be a member of the exclusive Lincoln Black Label Club by coming to Empire Huntington Ford Lincoln, one of the few Black Label dealerships actually on Long Island.